In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in PowerPoint, including how to add a normal, double, or effect underline. This is a handy skill to have in your toolkit, especially when you want to add that extra emphasis to your slides. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Whether you're using an older version or the most up-to-date one, the process remains quite similar. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, navigate to the presentation you're working on, or open a new one if you're getting started from scratch. Take your time to locate the specific slide where you want to underline text, and make sure you're ready to edit. Now, once you've identified the slide and the text you want to work with, go ahead and click on that text. If the text is within a box, simply clicking on the box will do the trick. For sentences or specific words, you'll want to highlight them. This can be easily done by clicking and dragging over the text, or holding Shift and using the arrow keys for precision. Next, turn your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen and find your way to the Home tab. This tab is essentially your command center in PowerPoint, where you'll find most of the tools you need for formatting text. Once there, you'll spot the U symbol, which stands for underline. It's typically found among other text styling options like bold and italic. Click on this U symbol. If you're going for the classic underline, this immediate action will do the trick beautifully. Watch as your highlighted text is neatly underlined. It's that simple. In some versions of PowerPoint, if you want to apply a double underline or a more decorative effect, you'll need to dive a bit deeper. For this, click the small arrow next to Font in the Home tab, which opens a dialog box. In the dialog box, you'll see options for different types of underlining. From there, you can choose a double underline, or perhaps even a dotted or dashed effect if that's what the presentation calls for. Remember, using underlines is a fabulous way to enhance your content, but do use it sparingly. When every other word is underlined, it loses its impact. Underlines are most effective when they are used to draw attention to key points or to guide your audience's eyes to the most critical parts of your message. And that's it, you've just learned how to underline text in PowerPoint with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks, and as always, thanks for watching.